Welcome, beach lovers and luxury seekers. Today, we're diving into the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean to explore a hidden gem nestled on one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Get ready to be whisked away to Beach House Turks and Caicos, an adults-only boutique resort that promises a slice of paradise with a side of sophistication. Imagine waking up in a suite so cozy, you might forget you're not in your own bed, except for the gentle sound of waves lapping at the shore just outside your window. Beach House offers 21 luxury suites spread across 2 buildings, each one a haven of tranquility. These aren't your run-of-the-mill hotel rooms, folks. Oh no, these suites have names instead of numbers, because apparently, they're too fancy for mere digits. It's like each room has its own personality. Maybe they should start writing their own autobiographies. Now, let's talk about the layout of these swanky abodes. You've got your choice of 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom suites, perfect for couples looking for a romantic getaway or friends who promise not to third-wheel too hard. The 2-bedroom suites are particularly impressive, boasting an open kitchen that would make any amateur chef swoon. We're talking KitchenAid appliances. People, this isn't your college dorm room microwave situation. There's even an island with bar stools, perfect for sipping morning mimosas or late-night cocktails. But wait, there's more. The master bedroom comes with its own en-suite bathroom, and there's a second bathroom accessible from the hallway. And get this, the shower is doorless. That's right, no pesky glass to squeegee after your beachy rinse off. It's like they're saying, go ahead, shake that sand off anywhere you like. Just remember, what happens in a doorless shower stays in a doorless shower. Each suite is decked out with all the modern conveniences you'd expect from a luxury resort. Air conditioning? Check. Free Wi-Fi? You bet. Local calls included? Yep, in case you want to ring up the front desk and ask them to pinch you because you can't believe this place is real. And for those of you who can't bear to leave your laundry behind, fear not. There are washer and dryer machines available in each building. Because nothing says vacation like doing a load of whites, right? Now let's talk about the views. Most suites overlook either lush tropical gardens or the pool area. And while you might not have a direct ocean view from your room, don't worry. The beach is just a hop, skip, and a jump away via private paths. It's like they're saying, we know you came for the beach, but we want you to appreciate our gardening skills too. But here's where Beach House really kicks it up a notch. Each suite comes with its own pampering pod on the beach. That's right, you get a dedicated slice of paradise complete with cushioned loungers, umbrellas, fresh towels, and cold water. It's like having your own private beach butler, minus the awkward small talk. And speaking of service, the beach attendants are known for their attentiveness. They'll probably know your name before you've even finished unpacking your sunscreen. Now let's talk grub. The Beach House Restaurant and Dune Terrace Bar are where the culinary magic happens. They've got this whole creative fusion thing going on, blending Caribbean flavors with Asian and European influences. It's like your taste buds are going on a world tour without ever leaving the beach. And the best part? You can enjoy your meal poolside or right on the beach. Sand between your toes and a gourmet meal in front of you. Now that's what I call dining with a view. The menu changes regularly, but you can expect fresh seafood, local ingredients, and dishes that look almost too pretty to eat. Almost. They also host tasting nights featuring food and alcohol pairings, because why settle for just one delicious thing when you can have many? And if you've got dietary restrictions, don't sweat it. They're happy to accommodate, as long as you give them a heads up. No one should have to miss out on vacation indulgence, after all. The dress code is casual, reflecting the laid-back island vibe. So leave your tuxedo at home, unless you want to be that guy overdressed on the beach. And while they don't specify the restaurant's capacity, the intimate setting suggests it's not going to be a crowded mess. Just remember to make reservations, especially during peak season or for those fancy tasting events. You don't want to miss out on the culinary adventure because you forgot to call ahead. Now, let's dive into the pool situation. Beach House boasts one outdoor swimming pool that's centrally located within the landscape gardens. It's not one of those massive pools where you need a map to find your way back to your lounger, but it's perfect for a refreshing dip or a lazy float. The pool is surrounded by padded sun chairs, And there's even a covered gazebo for when you want to pretend you're not actually baking in the Caribbean sun. While there's no swim-up bar, sorry, cocktail enthusiasts, you can still get your drink on. The nearby bar and restaurant are happy to deliver your beverages poolside, so you can sip on a piña colada while working on your tan, without ever having to lift a finger. Well, maybe just the one to signal for another round. As for the beach, well, it's Grace Bay. If you haven't heard of Grace Bay Beach, it's time to update your bucket list. We're talking soft, white sand that stretches as far as the eye can see, and water so blue it looks like it's been photoshopped. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to quit your job and become a professional sandcastle builder. And remember those pampering pods we mentioned earlier? They're less than 100 feet from the water's edge, so you can go from lounging to swimming in about 10 seconds flat. The resort also offers complimentary, non-motorized water sports equipment like paddleboards and kayaks. So if you're feeling adventurous, you can paddle out and pretend you're a pirate searching for buried treasure. Just don't expect to find any, unless you count the homemade popsicles the staff hands out as afternoon treats. Now, let's talk about keeping fit while on vacation. Because we all have those grand plans of maintaining our exercise routine, right? Beach House has a small gym adjacent to the spa area. It's got your basic cardio machines like treadmills, plus some free weights and exercise balls. Now, full disclosure, some guests have described it as a bit rundown. So if you're expecting a state-of-the-art fitness center, you might be disappointed. But hey, you're on a beautiful beach in the Caribbean. If you really want exercise, why not just go for a swim? Speaking of relaxation, because that's what vacations are really about, let's chat about the spa. Beach House offers spa treatments both indoors in a clinical-style spa room and on a beachfront deck. Because nothing says relaxation like a massage with an ocean view, right? While they don't specify their signature treatments, you can probably expect the usual suspects: massages, facials, maybe some body wraps if you're feeling fancy. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what about the sauna and steam room? Well, hold your horses there, spa enthusiast. Beach House keeps things simple. There's no mention of saunas or steam rooms, so you'll have to get your sweat on the old-fashioned way, by lying in the sun. But hey, at least you can cool off in the ocean afterward. One thing to note, if you want a spa treatment, you'll need to book in advance through the front desk. So don't wait until the last minute to decide you need some pampering. Plan ahead, and you'll be zen in no time. Now, let's talk about what makes Beach House stand out from the crowd. First off, it's adults only. So if you're looking for a peaceful getaway without the soundtrack of splashing kids and "Mom, he's touching me," this is your spot. It's like spring break for grown-ups, minus the body shots and regrettable decisions. The resort's boutique size, remember only 21 suites, means you get a level of privacy and personalized service that's hard to find in larger resorts. It's like staying at a rich friend's beach house, except you don't have to pretend to like their weird art collection. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.